Welcome to jazztime.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Audemars Piguet 42mm rose gold 26470OR. We're going to show you a couple cool features about the watch, review about how to use the watch, and also why you might want to buy this watch. So let's go ahead and start with the bezel. That's the thing that my pointer is moving around. That's specific to Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak Offshore, in that it has this octagonal shape to it. What makes it so special is that it actually looks like the watch is square when in fact it's round. Or not square, but octagonal when in fact it's round. Gives it a more masculine look, and it's quite special and stands out. Now, looking at the push buttons here, you'll notice that they're made of ceramic. And that's important because they used to be made of rubber, now they're made of ceramic, so that they do not wear over time. Now, moving on to the profile, what separates this one from the Royal Oak collection versus the Offshore collection is the thickness. So the thickness is where my two fingers are pointing to. That in this case is 14 millimeters. And that's significant because it's quite a bit thicker than the Royal Oak. You'll notice that as well, one of the signature things in the Offshore collection is that you'll see these two things that my pointer is pointing to. That's what actually holds the strap to the case. Interesting, because a lot of other brands use it from the outside, where my pen is pointing to. I'd like to bring your attention as well to the finish of this watch. Now, Audemars Piguet is well known for their polish. It's high polished here, and brushed here, and they do that throughout. It's an excellently and well-crafted watch with a very beautiful polish throughout. You'll notice that it also comes with a tang buckle. A tang buckle is what you see right here. Moving on to the movement, this is a 3126 movement. It has 59 jewels, 365 parts, a 22 karat gold rotor, and a 50-hour power reserve. What makes this watch special in this case is that it has a transparent exhibition case back. They didn't used to have that. So that is quite special, and that really allows you to look at the back and watch the watch in all its wonder. I think it's a great addition to the collection, and I think you guys would probably agree looking at it here. Now I'm going to go ahead and try it on and let you guys see what it looks like at home. Now, this watch is available at jazztime.com, as you see it here. Check us out at jazztime.com. You can see other watches just like this, and pricing, as well as many other cool things. If you like this video, press the subscribe button below and let us know what you think in the comment section below. We have a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. Check us out at jazztime.com.